Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel and we're here outside. It's first time. Ethan, first time shower in the rain. Your hand is dirty. Ethan. Husband. Ding! Oh, there's garbage there, no?
A tree limb fell. Right old tree there.
The tree limb? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. That's very rotten. We turn around ang camera. There is Ethan. Tignan nyo yung nag-shower sa rain is in the swimming pool wearing his rain jacket. So wala na iwan guys. Hoy, you don't want to be in the camera? Why you turn back there? It looks like he understand it. I'm videoing.
Raincoat. I'm in the swimming.
Nilagay ni Mr. yung mga mulch dyan guys. Mga anod sa ulan. So binalik niya. Binalik niya sa file. Ano dito? Kinuha ni Mr. yung mga garbage guys para dalhin doon sa shop. Doon niya ilalabay. Hala, patay ka dong. Ayun si Ethan oh. Oh, asa ka? Saan ka makakita ng batang naliligo with jacket, with rain jacket? Only for Ethan. 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 Kaya na si Ethan dyan, oh. Oh no, no, not. Hello ko ang Ethan, guys. So, hello, guys. Let's harvest. Ah, hala, kung puto. Oh, let's harvest the eggplant, guys. This one. Ito yung ating basket and ang ating pang-cutting. Let's go. See? Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ang laki. See here. Tara! Kagamay man itong sudlan na Harvey. Oh, next. Next here, guys. Next. Baby. Nagadat ko niya. No, don't touch! Not touch! Not touch! Not touch! Salamat guys, ako kayo. Diba? Tanon. Look at this. Look at this. Bring this one. Bring this one. Bring this one. Just bring it. That. Natin sa kong kamatis. Oh, niki. Nagikuha ng Ethan. No! Enough na, enough na. Na. Dali na. Come here na, let's get in. So, tingnan nyo yung bata, guys. Kinuha yung akong eggplant. So, ito, guys, tatlo. So, manulod na takay lahang lamok. So, ayun. So, yung dalawa kong anak is hindi pa nakauwi. Harvest guys, tulo katalong. So, ayan. Then, meron tayong, tingnan nyo yung aking kakatanim ko lang. Ito lang nagtubo. So, ayan yung ating green onion. This one, guys, tingnan nyo yung ating nanganga. Iwan ko kung bakit ganyan. Kung nilutuon, guys, kilawin natin. Kilawin. So, ayan, guys, no. So, nilagyan ko ng tabon. Tinabunan ko dahil hindi siya magkasya. So, para maano talaga. So, ayan. Yung aking saan may tawag aking sibuyas, guys. Yung green onion ako, guys, is gamayra. Ito lang lagay ko. Kinilaw nga talong. Importante matambalan ang kanilang kinilaw nga talong, guys. Rice. Ayan, let's eat. Tanawa. Sa manili meron kita. So, lamig kay kinamot. Ano si Joanna, si Bea. 7 o'clock na, hayaw paghapon. Kalami. Anyang guys, bye guys. Magipicture.